Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Today I am just going to quickly explain what a mind map is and what you can do with a mind map. What are the possibilities, inshallah. So first we will see, you can go to the site called Xmind app and you can download. It is for free and it is available as an Android, as an iPad and a Mac and a Windows app. It is available on all platforms basically. So you can go here and you can just get this. It is one of the best ones and you can access a lot of free features in that. Okay, so once you get it and you have it, this is how it is going to look like. And over here you will get your page where you can see all your maps, inshallah. And there are templates. You can check out various kinds of templates, like you can look at a to-do list. So basically a to-do list, you know, what are the kind of things you want to do, what are the stuff that you want to study. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just pick something up and then, you know, if you don't like this, you can change it. And you know, you can do things around with it, whatever you feel like. So this is just a template, so I'm going to close this. I don't want to save this. And if I will again go into templates, there are lots and lots of free templates. You can see there's lots of them. So you can just pick something that you like and inshallah you can work on that. We'll have a look at take notes. Okay, so over here you can see how to take notes. Somebody has given you a basic overview of what you know, what is the process of. You write your date, essential questions, topic notes. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? So that is about taking notes. Now we are going to try and create a new one today, and I will explain some basic features of how to use Xmind app. And here you see, when you open a new page, you get an untitled page, which we are going to save as, okay, our topic for today will be Asma al-Husna. Okay, and once I try to save it, it will automatically choose that as the name of the file. All right, now over here on your right hand side, there are some formatting options. I am not going to go into detail with this. We'll just stick with what we get naturally. But once you start exploring, you know, आप देख सकते हैं, you can figure out what works for you. So today we'll just look at some formats, and I will choose something very simple and basic. I think I like this better. Okay, so I am going to choose this. All right, and I also want to change the color of this box. So I'm going to close this, and I will come here and I will change the fill to white, and I will keep the border black. All right. ये हो गया हमारा अस्मा अल हुस्ना. Now, what are we going to write here? We need some things. So inshallah we will do that. First you need to have some notes, or you can, you know, think of stuff and you can write that. Before that we will just explore what other options do we have. There is the Zen mode. In Zen mode basically what happens is it just becomes full screen, but we don't have it, so we're not going to use it. Right, so see this is basically what happened. It's like a full screen mode, and there are some options here now which we will explore later. Here on your what is it called, your menu bar, right? You get some options. You can create a new window, you can select a new template, new from your library. You can save, some basic stuff. And here is the most important thing: how do you share? So here you also have the option of Xmind share, which is this file will be shared as it is, and it will open in someone's Xmind so that they can explore all the features over there. Now let's get to work, inshallah. I'm going to minimize this window on the side, and I'm going to close this. And you can see I have today I will just show you how to make the Xmind for the name Falla Al-Hadi. Alright, so I'm going to first write Al-Hadi, and there will be and when you select tab, okay, when you come here and you select tab, you get subtopics. But when you select this and you press enter, you get another subtopic. And when on the end on the subtopic, when you select tab, you get subtopics like this. All right, and if you press enter, you get topics like this. All right, it's going to delete that. We will just talk about intro over here and some other points later on, inshallah. So in intro, what do I have? As you can see, I have highlighted some things here. Let me just make this a little small. Alright, so here are some things that I have highlighted, and I'm just going to use the same things over here, which I have made a note of. Just to save time, I'm going to use those notes, okay? These are the notes from this book, and now I am just going to copy them. I have Al-Hadi, and I'm just going to copy this, and in intro I will write. So when you select a box and you directly paste on this with command paste, right, it will take you to a subtopic. If you select this and you press enter, you get to the next topic. If over here you press tab, you get a subtopic. If on the tab you start typing, it becomes a box, right? Dua. If you press enter, you get another topic. Okay, and over here I'm going to come in, I'm going to paste this. Alright, so in intro we have, let's bring this here because intro is something else. So in intro I have seeking the guide. I'm just going to copy this from here, and I'm going to paste it here with enter and tab. Okay, and there you go. Sorry. You need to remember that the whole mind mapping is about enter and tab. That's all there is. Okay, so yep, we have that. Now we have this comes under, okay, I'm going to create another topic here, right? And I'm going to take these three and I'm going to put it to this, and now I'm going to take this and attach it over here. Okay, so now we got these. So basically we have Hadi in introduction. Let's just read the book, you will get what I'm trying to do here. Okay, over here we see when we read the book, I have highlighted through them. You can see how your creator recognizes the needs of his creation. So I think we missed that. Let me bring that back. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, we have this here. Sorry. So we have this here, and then next highlight is you realize that the answer to any problem is through him. So everything is possible only through with Allah. Then I have more highlights over here where I'm talking about sometimes this feeling. So all of these highlights I have made into notes, which I'm just going to use for my map, right? I'm going to come here and press tab. So I got another subtopic. What is that tab? The subtopic is why. Okay, why do we need Al-Hadi? Al-Hadi means a guide. I'm just going to copy all of this as it is and copy and come here on Y and paste. Okay, and now I'm going to take another box. I'm going to press enter and I'm going to use this as example. I'm going to come here and I'm going to copy all of this and press on this box, click on this box, and I'm going to copy. All right, so this is an unnecessary box. I'm going to add it here and move this from there, right? So now you can see that we have some things over here, and this last line I'm going to put it over here. So for a mind map you need to have your notes. Please remember that. All right, so this is our map so far. Over here we can have remember, and in remember I want you to remember enter and tab. All right, so I have explained some topics to you, as you can see. Now we will just understand how to use more of this map. Okay, so you see the name that we are trying to understand today is Al-Hadi. What it means is we are going to write it below. Guide, right? Guide. Now I'm going to first use markers because well, I like them, and I'm going to look at something that looks like a path and use it. Okay, so this looks like a path. I'm going to select this box and I'm going to click on this. So you can see from point 1 to B. Now I want to use something for the introduction. I will just use something like this. Seeking the guide, and okay, I'm going to come here and okay, I don't find anything, so I will let me just explore, right? So you can just go crazy over here. There's a lot of things to explore, inshallah. But right now I'm not able to find that. So we can just look at some other things. or because I have already created a map, I'm just going to copy it from there. Okay, now what do I need from here? I want this, so I will copy it and I will paste it here. Okay, and this is a flat icon that I copied from somewhere, and I also want this name of Allah. I'll show you where I got this name of Allah from. There is a site called Flat Icon, and I've attached the link in the description. You can just look for anything, and I choose this, copy, and you'll come here and you will exit this box and you will paste it. I don't want it so big, I'm going to make it a little small. Okay, now you can just look for some more, and you can just add whatever you feel like. Okay, you can make them small, you can make them however you like. It is up to you. If you don't get something that you're looking for over here, just go to flat icon. We are going to look for an image of a pole over here. I've come to flat icon. I will look for and yeah, I'll copy this image and I will remember what is the benefit of using something like this. When you use images, stickers, markers in your maps, these images help you remember things better. So all the things that you put down, your images will really help you uh, remember your map much better. Okay, so now just have a look at our map. Asmaul Husna, name is Al Hadi. In introduction, we are seeking the guide because through his names we will fill the needs of his creation. What does it mean? You need to ask Allah for everything. You have to make dua because Allah never turns the seeker away, and the answer to every problem is only through Him. Why? Because when we are stuck in life, it could be a midlife crisis or you got knocked out from the path we set. Sometimes this feeling of being lost can bring us closer to Allah. To feel as though we do not know where we are going, because that is what Allah wants, and that is when we start searching, right? I'll take this and put this here. Know that victory comes with patience. When you are patient, that is when you will get victory. So I'm going to look for something education, and I'm going to look for okay when you start searching. So it's just a lot of things. You can just look at it and uh, let's look for a trophy. I really enjoy this part. I'm just showing you that it really helps you start making your notes look so pretty, and it makes you want to read your own notes, right? So it's just that. So you go crazy with whatever works for you, um, and I'm not getting what I'm looking for, so let's not waste time over there, okay? So this is about it. So this is how you make notes, you structure them. Now if I don't want this over here, right? So what I'm going to do, I am going to change this. I'm going to move this, and I want this as a part over here. Find your path with Allah, and I want this below this. So you can just move around all these parts and play around with whatever you feel like. Uh, Everything is movable. You can put them anywhere and you can make things move around. This can come here. You can attach them anywhere, but it should all make sense, okay? If you'll play around, you will understand. It's not very complicated. Uh, this is our map for Al Hadi. Here you can write Al Wahab. Give me okay. And I'm going to look for gift. Okay. I really like which gifts. I like these gifts. So I'm gonna copy this and I am going to paste this over here. And you can see we've got gifts over here. So this is basically what your mind map can do over here. Now let's explore some of the boxes over here. Uh, so when you click on this box, you get a subtopic. As you can see, we got a subtopic below. All right. Let me make things easier for you. When you click over here, when you click on this first box topic, you get a subtopic. Now, when you click on this subtopic, you'll get things like this. This is basically tab and enter buttons. Now, when you want to build a relationship, what you do is I want to connect this with this. Okay, so I'll select this box. I will use this relationship and I will connect it over here. Sorry, I wanted it. I want this relationship over here. So you can see if you I don't like the way the relationship turned out, I'm going to change the pattern. Okay, I want it to look like this. Sorry, I don't use relationships that often, but okay, now you can. Okay, so basically this is how you can make relationships, all right? Now let's look at some other boxes. And I want to summarize this. And I'm going to use this box. Okay, summary is what? Otherwise, all right, this is the summary of this. Now, if you want to highlight something, I want to highlight this. I will put a boundary across it. All right, and this is a very important point, so I'm going to put this over here. And I'm going to use this example just over here, okay? And I want to highlight this as well, so I'm going to use a marker and I'm going to make it priority, right? So this is basically how you can use all of these features, and in pitch mode is basically, well, again we can't use it, so see, you can use it as a presenter, and you can do a lot of interesting things with this. Right, so a lot of cool stuff that you can do with this. So now another really cool feature is on the bottom right you see outliner. When you click on outliner you get an outline format, and if you want to change something over here, like I don't want all of this, I'll just select all of this and I can indent it, or I can remove the indents, I can move them up and down, you can highlight them, you can indent them, you can do a lot of things over here also. If you want to quickly format things, you don't have to go there. So all of them have their own features. All right. And when I don't want this, I'll remove this. And now I will go into the mind map And this is how the mind map looks. All right. Now let me show you another thing. If I come here and I start typing in Al-Wahhab, all right, sorry, all right, uh, and I will press tab. So I got an indent. Mm. He gives gifts when we don't even without them. Okay, everything is a blessing. And we thank him, feel ashamed to receive many. All right, now I want to indent this. Now you can see what has happened over here. Can you see all the things that I typed? They start appearing over here. And I come here and I will type just one thing, okay? I will go in outline and you can see it is here. It shows over here. All right. So basically, this is a very quick tutorial on how to make mind maps. I hope this was beneficial to you. And if you have any other doubts or questions, please you can get in touch with me. And of course, I will help you. But this is how you can get started. So, Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.